What's up, guys? Welcome back to today's video. As you can see, I have 201 Astrodud coins, and today I'm going to be unboxing the hopefully long-awaited Astrodud.io pass. Let's see if I can get to it. And free. Currently, I have nothing. I want to see what the Astro Pass has in store for us. Alright, so a bunch of hats. Are there any skins? I think that's it. No, it's not, but my computer's laggy. So let's just purchase the Astro Pass. Premium Astro Pass unlocks more cosmetics to be earned when playing. Get up to 100 plus extra cosmetics just from what? Okay, whatever. Coins can be earned in-game purchase the Battle Pass. So, 3, 2, 1, success. My Battle Pass has been purchased. I now have the Astrodud Battle Pass. Alright, comment down below how to get whatever that was at the top of the screen that I need, because I have no idea what that was like. Yeah, whatever this, pointing it with my mouth, whatever this thing is to get to 1. I don't know. So let's just play. We're gonna see if we can make 1 win, and if that affects the XP I get. So alright, this is one of my favorite stages. If you guys watched my 2 or 3 past other Astrodud videos, you would know this. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's see if I can one punch man these bands. One punch! One punch! I've one punched anyone that gets in my way. Yes, he just went off that train. He went off that Fiat train. Oh god. Boom. You cannot touch this. Ow, okay, they touched me. Child. Yes. Alright, let's see. This fan. Yeah, this fan is my fan. No! Why do you hate me? Why? They hate me. Yes. Let's try to brick you. Yes, sir. Please say that guy died. Please say that guy died. He died. Yes. Oh no, you will not beat me to the top. Oh yeah. First. Man, Frosty 3, I thought you were my only competitor, man. By the way, if you're wondering how I'm moving the camera, or who's moving the camera, it's not Frosty 3, it's me. Wait, oh, I feel bad. So close. You would have actually made it for me. It's always better than DOS. Noob 32. You're probably not a noob though. You're right behind me. Okay, let's see. Newbie. Race trials. Oh my god, I hate this. I hate this. Why? If you want to see another game like Psalms or whatever, if you want to see Fortnite in one of my videos, you just comment down in the description. I'll play Fortnite. Oh no, you did not just do that. Come on, you gotta fall, buddy. Yeah, wait, whoa. You know, this way. See, I'm so good at this game. Boom. What? No. Can I jump a tile? Is that possible? No! No! Alright guys, so we did not win. We did unbox the Astrodud Battle Pass. Or Astrodud Pass, not really, but it's like the Rocket Pass or something. Comment down below how to get this. I don't know if it's coins or something. But comment down below how to get like this stuff, like a shield or something. Friend request me. My username is Didestria. I had no friend. So if you guys play Astrodud, just friend me. You might be able to be in future videos as well. And as always, leave a like, comment down below. Happy post-Valentine's Day. Please consider subscribing. Turn on that notification bell. It really helps me with the channel. And yeah, have a good day. Bye-bye.